Are you working hard? Still feel stuck financially? Many people face this. It is not about luck. It is about your habits. Your money mindset matters. This video reveals 5 traps. You are probably making them. We will show you how. Fix them and build wealth. This video will expose the hidden money mindset mistakes that are holding you back from financial freedom. You will learn practical, actionable steps to break free from these costly habits and start building the wealth you deserve. Watch until the end to unlock your true financial potential. This is not just theory. We will provide real-world solutions. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly build wealth, while others, despite working just as hard, always struggle? It is often not about how much money you make, but how you think about and manage the money you have. This video is about to reveal the 5 most common, yet often invisible habits that are silently draining your bank account and killing your financial future. We will show you exactly what these traps are, and more importantly, how to escape them. This is the unique practical guide you have been searching for. Is there anything else left to watch in this video? Absolutely. We are going to dive deep into each mistake, providing clear examples and actionable strategies you can implement today. We will also follow the journey of Alex, a relatable individual who faced these very challenges and found a way to overcome them. This will not just be information, it will be a transformation. You will gain a powerful new perspective on your money. The Autopilot Drain, living without a plan. The first major mistake, and perhaps the most insidious, is living on financial autopilot. This means spending money without a clear plan or understanding of where it is actually going. It is not about buying yachts or sports cars. It is about the 1,000 tiny untracked purchases that slowly, silently drain your bank account. Imagine Alex, a young professional earning a decent salary. Every month money comes in, and money goes out. Alex pays the rent, buys groceries, enjoys dinners out with friends, and subscribes to several streaming services. At the end of the month, Alex often wonders where all the money went. There is rarely much left over for savings or investments. This is the autopilot drain in action. This reactive seat-of-your-pants approach keeps you on defense. You are always scrambling to cover expenses. You are not building anything substantial. You are just plugging holes in a sinking ship. This habit prevents individuals from achieving financial success because they lack control. They are not telling their money where to go. Instead, they are wondering where it went. This is a fundamental barrier to wealth creation. The fix is as simple as it is powerful. You need a budget. But let us call it a conscious spending plan. A budget is not a cage, it is a roadmap. It is you, finally telling your money where to go, instead of scratching your head and wondering where it all went. This is a crucial step in money mindset mastery. Start by tracking everything, every single dollar. Use an application, a notebook, or a simple spreadsheet. Just do it for 1 month. You will be amazed at what you discover. You will see exactly where your money is vanishing. It is about shifting from reacting to your money to actively controlling it. This is the first and most important step towards a wealthy mindset. The debt anchor, paying for your past. The second mistake is letting yourself get chained to the anchor of high-interest debt. We are talking about credit cards, personal loans, and any debt that charges you a fortune for the privilege of borrowing. This is a significant barrier to financial freedom. The total credit card debt in the United States is a mind-boggling $1.18 trillion. The average balance for one person is now over $6,400. But that is not even the scariest part. The average interest rate on cards that are carrying a balance is a soul-crushing 21.91%. Let us be crystal clear about what that means. If you have that average debt of $6,455, and you only make a modest payment of $150 a month, it will take you over 7 years to pay it off. And get this, you will have paid an extra $6,477 in interest alone. You literally pay double. This is how your money mindset shapes your financial reality. High-interest debt is financial quicksand. The more you struggle, the deeper you sink. Every single dollar you pay in interest is a dollar that is not being saved, is not being invested, and is not working for you. You are spending money to pay for your past instead of building your future. So many people treat credit like it is free money, only looking at the cash they get right now without thinking about the brutal long-term cost. That thinking turns a financial tool into a devastating trap. Alex learned this the hard way. After a few years of relying on credit cards for unexpected expenses and even some luxuries, Alex found themselves with a growing balance and minimum payments that barely touched the principal. The interest charges felt like a constant weight. This is a common scenario for many consumers. The solution is to declare war on your high-interest debt. Two of the best battle plans are the avalanche and snowball methods. The avalanche method focuses on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, which saves you the most money over time. The snowball method has you pay off your smallest debts first, which gives you quick wins and builds momentum. Pick one and commit. Cut up the cards if you have to. Stop digging the hole deeper. From now on, credit cards are a tool for convenience, paid off in full every single month. They are not an emergency fund and not a way to finance a life you cannot actually afford. Until you break free from that debt anchor, you will never be able to swim to the shore of financial freedom. This is a crucial step in achieving financial freedom. The fragility factor, living without a net. The third mistake is just assuming tomorrow will be a carbon copy of today. It is the failure to prepare for life's inevitable curveballs. It is living without an emergency fund. For way too many people, the smallest financial shock, a surprise medical bill, a major car repair, an unexpected layoff, is all it takes to trigger a complete financial meltdown. This is a common pitfall that keeps people broke. Without that safety net, an emergency forces you into a terrible choice. You either rack up more high-interest debt, or even worse, sell your long-term investments at the worst possible time. This is how the cycle of debt starts, and how wealth-building plans get absolutely shattered. You are always just one bad day away from being knocked back to square one. People who build wealth understand this. They protect their assets by keeping cash ready for the unexpected. Alex experienced this firsthand. Their car broke down unexpectedly, requiring a costly repair. Without an emergency fund, Alex had to put the repair on a credit card, adding to their existing debt. This setback felt crushing and highlighted the importance of a financial safety net. This is a clear example of how your money mindset is holding you back from financial freedom. The solution is to build a dedicated emergency fund. You need 3 to 6 months worth of your essential living expenses. This is not your vacation fund. This is not for a down payment on a house. This money has one job and one job only: to be the financial firefighter when your world feels like it is burning down. This is a key component of money management. Keep this money in a separate liquid account, like a high-yield savings account. That way it is easy to get to when you truly need it, but not so easy that you are tempted to dip into it for a pizza on a Friday night. The key is to automate it. Set up a recurring transfer from your checking account every payday. Even if you are just starting with $20, you will be amazed at how fast that adds up. Building this cushion is non-negotiable. It is the foundation that your entire financial house is built on. It gives you stability, confidence, and the freedom to make clear-headed decisions when you are under pressure, instead of desperate ones. The inflation killer, letting your money die slowly. Now for maybe the most silent wealth killer of them all, letting fear or procrastination stop you from investing. It is a huge problem. Recent studies show that nearly half of all Americans do not have any investment assets at all. The reasons are always the same. I do not have enough money to start, I do not know what I am doing, or the classic, I feel safer with my money in a savings account. But here is the harsh truth. Money sitting in a standard savings account is losing value every single day. The national average interest rate for savings accounts is a pathetic 0.6% or even less. Meanwhile, inflation is quietly eating away at your purchasing power, year after year. Leaving your money in cash is not playing it safe, it is a guaranteed loss. You are basically paying the bank to hold your money while its value just evaporates. This is how your money mindset shapes your financial reality. The real engine of wealth creation is compound growth. Every single day you wait to invest is a cost you can never ever get back. This is a critical lesson in financial education. Alex initially felt overwhelmed by investing. The stock market seemed complicated and risky. They kept their savings in a regular bank account, thinking it was the safest option. But as they learned more about inflation, they realized their money was actually shrinking in value over time. This realization was a turning point for Alex's money mindset. The solution is to start investing now. Even if it is with a small amount, you do not need a fortune. You can start with just a few dollars a month. For most people, the smartest and simplest approach is to invest in low-cost, diversified index funds or exchange-traded funds. These let you own a tiny piece of the entire market, spreading your risk automatically without you needing to become a stock-picking genius. This is investing for beginners. Do not try to time the market. Do not chase some hot stock you heard about online. Adopt a long-term mindset. Automate your investments just like your savings. Set up a regular contribution to your investment account and just let it run through the market's ups and the market's downs. The goal here is not to get rich quick, it is to build wealth predictably and sustainably over a long period of time. Your future self is going to thank you for it. This is a key to passive income ideas and how to become rich. The mindset trap, your own worst enemy. This final mistake is not about the numbers on a spreadsheet. It is about what is going on between your ears. It is about making emotional decisions with your money and refusing to learn the basics. This is the most significant mistake that many people make regarding their finances. It is the ultimate money mindset trap. It is panic selling all your investments the second the market dips. It is that retail therapy spree to make yourself feel better. It is getting swept up in hype and making impulsive choices you know you will regret later. These actions are almost always driven by a lack of financial literacy and a failure to set clear logical goals. One recent survey showed that a lack of knowledge is a primary barrier for 30% of people who do not invest. When you do not understand the fundamentals of how money, debt, and investing work, you are far more likely to make decisions based on fear or greed. You end up playing defense with your money, constantly reacting to problems instead of getting ahead of them. You do not have a real plan for retirement, or taxes, or insurance, because you are too busy just trying to keep your head above water today. This is how your childhood shapes your money mindset. Alex's biggest breakthrough came when they realized their own emotions were their worst financial enemy. They would get excited by a hot tip and invest impulsively, only to lose money. They would feel stressed about bills and avoid looking at their bank account. This emotional avoidance and impulsive behavior were the root cause of many of their financial struggles. This is a common middle-class mindset. The solution is to get intentional. You have to invest in your own financial education, read a book, listen to a podcast, watch videos like this one. You do not need to become an expert, but you do need to understand the basic rules of the game. This is personal development and self-improvement. And most importantly, you need to create clear, written financial goals. Do you want to buy a house? Retire early? Travel the world? When your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, they become a powerful filter for every decision you make. Before you make a big purchase or a sudden investment change, you can ask one simple question: does this move me closer to my goal or further away? This is the essence of a wealthy mindset and success habits. Correcting this mistake can lead to a transformative change in your financial situation. So there they are. The 5 mistakes: living without a plan, carrying high-interest debt, having no emergency savings, waiting to invest, and letting your emotions call the shots. These are the real reasons most people will never be rich. It has nothing to do with luck, and everything to do with habits and your money mindset. This is the core of money mindset strategies. But here is the good news: every single one of these is fixable. You can decide today to create a spending plan. You can decide today to make a plan to crush your debt. You can start building your emergency fund and open an investment account with just a few dollars. The power is completely in your hands. It is not about some single life-changing event. It is about the small, smart decisions that you make every single day. This is how to become successful and how to build wealth. Alex, our example, started by making small changes. They tracked their spending, then tackled their smallest debt, built a small emergency fund, and finally started investing consistently. It was not overnight, but over time their financial situation transformed. Their money mindset shifted, leading to true financial freedom. This is the journey to abundance mentality and wealth creation. So which of these mistakes hit closest to home for you? Let me know down in the comments. Sharing your experience might be the thing that helps someone else who is on the same journey. And if you found this breakdown helpful, do me a favor and subscribe and hit that notification bell. We are going to be going even deeper into how to build real lasting wealth in the next video, and you are not going to want to miss it. Thanks for watching.